guys, welcome back to Mystery Toys. Today we're going to be using these cool Play-Doh colors to put inside our Just Like Home magical microwave, and we're gonna see what surprises come out of it. There's 6 different colors here. I wonder what surprises we're going to get. Let's start and find out. First, we're going to start with the color red. Whoa, check out our first surprise, you guys. It's Marshal from the Paw Patrol. He's also the color red. He has his red fire truck hat on and his red suit with red pup pack. He's ready for a rough rescue. Next, we're going to use the color pink. Who else is pink? It's Skye from Paw Patrol. Look at her wings. She's ready to fly. And I like her pink goggles. This pup's gotta fly. Next, we will be using the color orange. I wonder what surprise we will get. And look who we got! It's Zuma! And he's also orange. He's ready to go into the water and save Wally the walrus. Ready, set, get wet. Next, we have the color yellow. Do you guys know what surprise will come out of the microwave that's also yellow? Let's see! If you guessed Rubble, then you're right. Here we have Rubble. He has his yellow construction hat and his yellow pup pack. He's ready to help out Ryder and dig some dirt. Rubble on the double. Next, let's use the color green. Let's see what surprise we will get now. Look, you guys, it's Rocky. He's also green. He looks really cute. Don't lose it, reuse it. And lastly, we're going to use the color blue. I bet you guys can guess what surprise will come out of the microwave that's also blue. I'm sure you guys guessed Chase. Here he is, with his blue hat, his blue pup pack. He's ready to help out Ryder. Chase is on the case. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed all the cool surprises that we got inside our Just Like Home magical microwave. Give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with another video from Mystery Toys. Bye for now, guys, and thanks so much for watching.